Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to distribute your objects evenly on your page in Adobe InDesign. So the first thing that I want you to do is to open your Adobe InDesign software and follow these simple steps. So now I'm going to create two objects. So I'm just going to draw two shapes and give them a fill color so they can be visible, as you can see, and I will create another one and have it a different color so you can recognize them. So now I have my colors, I have my objects or shapes, and now I want to align them. So basically, to distribute them, we want to go to the align objects or the align section. If you can't see all these options, you will need just to click on the more options button or the 3 points icon and just click on them, and now you can see all the distribution that you can do in Adobe InDesign. So the first thing that you will need to do is to distribute your object, but you need first to select the reference of the distribution. So either you are distribution until, or you have the limits here. So basically you are aligning to the page, so that's why that they distribute evenly the object until they touch the extremity of the page. But we want them, for example, to be only to not surpass the margin. So I'm going to have just align to margins, and then I'm going to click on my distribution. Let's just select my objects, and now I will have the distribution, and they will be distributed uh, until the margin. You can do, for example, for other thing like selection, and they are the selection, so they will be distributed because let's just do it again, go like this, and now they will be uh, evenly distributed or aligned. It depends on the selection. So basically now you will need just to choose which type of the distribution that you want, and in which reference. So basically I want to be distributed into the margin, and you can have distribution evenly in your page. So simply, this is the way to distribute evenly your objects in Adobe InDesign is by using the align method or align panel in your workspace. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.